Good day everyone, my name is Rian Kyle Ernest Pinilla, BSF1A. My topic today is all about what are you most looking forward to in the next 10 years. When I think about the next 10 years, I imagine a version of myself who has gone stronger, wiser and closer to my dreams. 10 years may seem like a long time, but for me it's like a promise. A promise that the sacrifice I make today will lead to the life you always dream of. One of my biggest dreams is go to abroad, not just to explore a new places, but to build a better future, to find opportunities that will help me become financially stable. I want to be in a place where I can stand on my own, support myself, and more importantly, give back to the people who have given me everything. My parents, they work so hard to give me a good life, often putting their needs aside so I could have mine. And the next 10 years, I want to be in a position where I can say you don't have to worry anymore. Let me take care of you now. The mo the moment seeing the joy and pride in their eyes is what I look forward to most. But beyond financial success, I'm also looking forward to personal growth, to becoming someone who is not only successful, but also kind, humble, and grateful. I want to experience new cultures, meet new people, and learn from the world. I want to turn every challenge into a lesson and every setback into motivation. 10 years from now, I see myself living my dream life. Not necessarily a perfect one, but a life filled with purpose, love, and contentment. A life where I can look back and say made it. Not just for myself, but for the people who believe me. So, what I'm most looking forward to in the next 10 years. It's the journey of turning my dream into reality, a journey filled by hope, hard work, and their desire to give back to those who matter most. Thank you.